You see them no. They're saying I don't need to return the item, but I will be refunded. Them know it's a foolishness. Them know. Okay. Damn, can you hear me? Go cheap.
How you feel for say? Come me I say when me feel for say. How you feel for say?
Welcome back to KeneishaSays. I just realized that everything I have done for the last maybe 15 minutes was being recorded, but the voice was not being recorded. So luckily I caught it before I actually concluded the whole video. What I think happened is that I have an external microphone that I actually connected to the camera, thinking that it was being recorded. Now something just told me, Keneisha, stop for a second, just double check it before you actually move any further. And lo and behold, it was not recording the audio, but it was getting everything else. So when I started this video, I actually told you that I'm doing a collection haul. It's now, at the time, was like 20 minutes after 8. It's now 8:54. So that's for sure you how long I've been talking. I actually told you that, guys, that we spoke before, and I told you that I was supposed to be receiving some wine from UPS, and you know, I was running back to get them at 2:30, and she didn't show up until like after 5. Now I was curious as to why the box that she had was so small, knowing that I should be receiving up to like 13 different wines. But she actually came back and she apologized. She had whatever she got caught up with, and it was just one big old wine. It was a Magnum wine. That's that big old wine that she actually brought. So that came separately. Today is when the magnitude of the wine or everything else came. That I was showing you guys, and I was actually I just put up all those. I was saying also that like I have so many wines, and the whole purpose of having wines for like friends and family, or like just when you just want to chill. I'm not really a big drinker. My husband used to be, in terms of red wines and stuff like that, but I haven't seen him drinking anything recently. Like I just asked him like, what's going on? Are these wines for souvenir? Because I don't really have a lot of people. I don't really have people in general coming to come to my house. So me saying that is for visitors. I don't have visitors, so who you have it for? Which visitor, Keneisha? Anywho, yeah, so that's what that. And I showed you guys that I also purchased some ice pack, 24 packs of the ice pack, as well as some instant ice pack and some instant hot packs. Now, after putting those away, I realized that I really didn't need any hot packs, because I literally have a brand new one. It looks like we only use like 2 packs out of it. The ice pack is what I really need, which I had only 4 of that remaining. Don't know what happened, why I thought that I was out of both of them, but it is what it is. So all of that, I guess, sum up in everything that I did before. Thank you Jesus I caught it before we actually finished the whole video, and then would I actually just be like doing the whole voiceover all over again. So anywho, we have all the packages here. I'm just gonna go through. I was also saying that I have some clothes and stuff that I wanted to try on. Not sure that I'm gonna try them on right now because it's getting late and I still haven't started the taxes, and I feel like I want to do that tonight. So I want to go to my bed around 9:30 tonight. So I'm gonna push for that because I have work tomorrow. It's Thursday morning. It's Thursday night, so I have work tomorrow. So we're gonna go through again, guys. Most of these are actually again spring items, things that I'll be using to decorate the house, just to change. Okay, now we have spring cleaning and we have Christmas clean. Those are the 2 biggest cleanings that I have in my house. Everything else are just like regular shingle clean, right? So TJ is also coming down. I don't know why I'm doing this, because it's supposed to be an Amazon collection haul, and I'm doing this like a regular vlog. So I'm gonna stop talk. Well, no, my son is coming on Friday. I have to put that in. I'm so excited. Yeah, I'm so excited. Anyhow, I wanted to clean up his room. I did not get a chance to clean it up yet, so I may have to do that next week. But let's go back into this whole haul. So it's not a lot of things, so don't get too excited. Well, you need to get excited. It got me excited. You know, that's when you know you're getting old, when you're excited over household stuff. That's crazy. I'm so excited over that. Alright guys, so let's jump into these. So the first thing we have here is this bag. Let's see what's in here. In here we have 2 items. This is a curtain for the living room. I already have a pair of this curtain. So it's called the Gold Sheer Curtains from Sutio Home, 52 by 96. I already have a set. This comes in a pack of 2. Obviously, you guys know how curtains are sold by Amazon. So I already have a pack of 2 already that I bought from last year, I think. So I purchased 2 more because I need this in the living room. I think I had it in the dining room the last time. So this is how it looks. I'm not going to take everything because it's a haul. This is how it looks. It's sheer curtain. It's really cute. Alright, so it's more goldish. So again, I have a set of this already, and it's a pack of 2. So this one's going into the living room. And then these are some throw pillow covers for my couch here in the office. So it's a pack of 4. It's pale, but I think it matches. So there it is. It's a pack of 4. So 1, 2, and then 2 more in here. So that was pretty cool because at first you have different sellers that had only 2, had only 1. I think maybe the pink was a little bit brighter. These look more like blush, but I think it comes in perfectly with the my couch. So you'll see that when, again guys, I did tell you in the last video, or actually in the last video, if you want to see me cleaning for spring, same old cleanup. Nothing changing, like, for the most part. But if you want to see that, let me know. Comment right now in the comment section, and I will definitely show you. That. But this is for my spring clean. I'm changing the cushions that I have, or the throw pillow covers that I have on my couch right now in my office space. All right, so that's one bag. This is 2. Just 1 package in here, and this is actually Tamanya's iPad case cover. Because the one that she have that for like the last 2 years or a year and a half or something like that. I didn't get it last Christmas. I think it was a Christmas before. So have the strap. Ooh, she's gonna love this pom pom. Hope it can fit. There's the other one, for some reason we have our unicorns them, and then I think she saw it before, she loved it. So this is what it looks like. Her other one, like, is, I don't know, it just go on itself like a lip up and stuff like that. So this is very nice. I know she's gonna love it. She actually saw it when I was looking on it on Amazon, and she's like, "Oh, please buy it," but she don't know that actually, but because she saw it like long time now. This just comes so see? No packaging, nothing. It's Amazon sent me a survey to do. They sent me a survey to do to ask about them packaging. But I don't do a survey and I let them know about it, you know. But this is so nice though. Like, look at this. This is for my couch here in the office. Look at this, guys. I don't know if you can see it. It's so nice. So it's pink and white. Something similar to the brown one that we have upstairs. But this is so nice. Look at it. And it's supposed to be long, so I don't even want to pull the packaging. Like, this just looks so cute. Like, what? So this is a false fur blanket. It looks so nice. This is gonna go with the pillows that I showed you before. I saw something before that had like the gold and whatever, but like, let me tell you something about Keneisha. Keneisha don't like to pay for shipping. So even if the shipping is $2, I'm gonna find something that has no shipping, okay? Even if I have to pay a higher price for it, that sounds ridiculous. but I'm not gonna pay for shipping. Because most time when you have like a $5, $6 shipping or whatever, not it's coming from a far place and it's not gonna come forever. It's not gonna come now. And I think that was another thing. It was not gonna come until we're in April. Like, what you gonna do with all of my money for pay for shipping and you wanna take so long when I can get something else that it's not even that expensive and it comes tomorrow on my Prime? Like, what? So no, I don't pay for shipping. Once you have shipping for your thing, trust and believe Keneisha is not buying it. So that's what happened. The other one that I liked, it had shipping on it. It was not gonna come for now. And this one, it was cheaper and it came like the next day. So who won? I think I did. So that's that. For that, this is for my couch. Don't jump. Okay. The next thing I have here. Oh, this is. See, remember the last time I showed you some I see it fair come. Like me, I have to wash my hand when I'm done. No liquor packaging. This is just a bag. So remember the last time I showed you the blanket that came and it was too small. I said I was gonna return it. That was supposed to be for the accent chair upstairs in the living room. I returned it to get a bigger one. So let's see how long this is. This better. The other one's like half of this. So this is better. Yeah, this can actually cover me up. So yeah, this is better. The other one was so short, like I think could I even come up to Vanya. So that's good. Well, I said this was like, this is a regular throw blanket. Or is it the I don't remember. But that's it for, that's the one to go upstairs. Alright, let's jump into this one. So we're gonna open this box. So remember the video that you're supposed to watch before this? I told the guys that I use Jamaican black castor oil in Stefania's hair. I actually purchased it originally on TikTok. But when we go on TikTok again, TikTok have it cheaper, but shipping, not doing that. So before they didn't have any shipping, I got it perfectly fine and whatever, but now the price went up and them have shipping and it's gonna take a longer time. So we're not doing that. I also use this on my stomach. It really helps to, like, when you have bloating and stuff like that. So it's the black castor oil, Jamaican black castor oil. This is how it looks. I think I showed you guys the other day. It's a pack of 2, which is exactly what TikTok has. Why my hands so dry? So pack of 2. So this is what I now use in my daughter's hair, as well as I use it on my stomach to help me with bloating and stuff like that. And it can make it help get flat too. So yeah, this is another box. Let's see what's inside here, guys. The way I'm hurry up to come down here, come do what I need to do. I didn't go oil my body. Did not moisturize at all. Okay, so these are like some subscriptions now, which are for the kids. Vitamin. It's an airborne vitamin immune system. The blend with vitamin C helps support your immune system. Crafted blender. I don't say this before. So this is for the kids. Their vitamin. So I have that on subscription. I have another bag here. Okay, so we have 3. I say it look. So say it looks huh? Okay. Damn, Kenny, you really go cheap. So these are some yellow sheer curtains for my room that I'll be springing in. This is an 84 inches. For some reason I thought I got the other one with the pizzazz. But no, I guess I got the simple one, like the one, no look at nothing. Like these like the ones that's going into the playroom. So the pack of 2 and I bought 3. See, no look at nothing, no look at pizzazz. Just plain old. Bless me, why am I allergic to this or something? Plain old yellow curtains, sheer curtains. 2 packs, and this is doubled, so you know so it's gonna be extra sheer, extra see-through. Everybody see in my room. I don't know why I got, there was a different one that has some patterns on it. I don't know why I got the plain ones, but hey. This is what it is. I think it's cheap. Cheap me I go with this year because I missed my last pen. So shred them there. We got 3 more boxes including this one, and I have 1 bag. That one is from SHEIN. I don't say Temu. I'm supposed to be receiving something from Temu. I don't see that yet. And what's we supposed to get? I think that's it. Oh, guys, I thought I just shop just for chopsticks sometime, you know. This I could actually go to Walmart or something and buy it. It's a 9-inch folding step stool. I have a black one for it. Now, Mr. Vanya, since she started getting older, she wanted to do too much things for herself. She wanted to take out her own clothes to wear to school. She want to do everything for herself, and she's still short. So what I realized that she's doing now, I suggested it one day, and she just picked it up and just started keep my step stool that's supposed to be kept in my kitchen in her room to step up and do things. So I said, you know, let me just surprise her. So I bought her, since this is her favorite color, I bought the pink one for her. So this should be going for Savannah's room. So she have her own step stool. Yeah, that's what I buy. Alright, this box feel heavy. Also remember guys that some of these stuff are actually subscriptions. So they come every month, every 2 months, every 3 months, depending on what monthly schedule I have them on at 9/11. No, 9/11. Okay. This has several things in there. So this have their refill body wash, which is the Aveeno. Normally I get the green one, but they're out of it, so they asked if I wanted to do a different one. So this is the Skin Relief Body Wash Refill for Aveeno for soothes itchy and dry skin because they have eczema. So that is for the kids again. I think I showed you guys that before. This is, what is? Oh, this is their probiotic cultural kids probiotic daily for the kids again. This is mine, which now that TJ won't come down here, it's gonna be for me and TJ. And then I realized that Tristan for use for something, so I don't know why I'm looking for something. But these are body wash soft soap. It's one of my favorite body wash to use, apart from the Dove. Show me this one, Dove again. What name? The green looking one, cucumber one. So this is the, I love this, luminous oils, macadamia oil and soft peony. So this is the one I use. So this is the pack of 4, again on subscription. That's just refilling my stack. These, I think these are some tights that I ordered. I don't know, I don't want tight space with my big belly and my flat bottom. Yeah. Ooh, these are thick. The ones I bought last time were not. These are, ooh, yes. These thick. The last ones I bought were so thin. That looks like shots. That looks shots. Oh, them grab up Batsy. Man, I said, I didn't know there was a lot of grabbing up. You show what I don't have. I guess this will help. But it looks short. But firm. This will grab my belly. This is in medium. The comment, why this looks so short? It looks short, right? But they're so thick. I wonder if I shot one in my bag. So this comes with a pack of 4. It comes with a black, it comes with a pink, the gray, and the blue one. They look so short. Why are they so short? Like I need to, hold on. Nerve Mauve 4-piece butt lifting. Okay. Workouts for women, seamless gym scrunch booty lifting sets. So this is what they should actually be looking like, right? I don't know if you guys can see that. And then based on the models, it goes all the way down to their ankle. So why it looks so short? I'll try on one. I'm gonna try on one right now. It's not as short as I thought it was going to be. It's actually long. This is how the back looks. And it comes all the way up. Yeah. This is it. It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be, so not bad, not bad. Alright guys, so it's not bad. Got 4 of those. So that's good to go. It's not as I thought it was going to be short. And then it has, I forgot to show you, it has like some details at the side. A really nice detail that you can see here. See that? It's really nice. Guys, it's so thick. And you have the ruching at the butt. And this line like kind of just outline your bottom. I don't really have no bottom, so you have to work a lot of miracles for me. So that's that. Alright, so we have one more Amazon package. So we went through the wine were from Naked. We went through the last Amazon box. And then we're gonna jump into the SHEIN. So these are some more subscriptions. The Flintstones vitamins for the kids. So they have several vitamins that they take. They take the vitamin C probiotic, and then they have the Flintstone. Okay, this is the suction cup phone camera holder that I've been waiting for. So now I can actually start giving content with the camera while I'm in my car. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, baby. So you see, so if it says anything like the one I have in my car right now for my phone, once you put this on, now come off. Suction cups are the best. So what is press for? What is press for? I forget, so just lock it. Have it so whichever you want it. If you can see. Use the tighten it right here at the side. To tighten it. That's cool. Suction cup part here. There's another part inside of the what is this? I guess you can't screw this on. I don't know what this is for. I have this little piece here, so I have to read to see it. Is there any? It doesn't come in any manual. Oh, hold on. It does come in an instruction manual. There's another piece here, so pieces. So you have the. It says tear off the red protective film, which would be this, I guess. Stick on the disc on the car dashboard. And this I'm talking about, but there's no word on this. Tear off the red protective film. Stick the disc on the car dashboard and attach the suction cup mount to the disc press. The press button and exclude the air and press the button. And then you're not Chinese. Ching dang dang pass da 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 da. And then user manual. Let's see, heavy duty suction cup camera mount. You have the screw connector, which is this spot right here. Screw connector, which is this right here. Then you have the nut, which is this. Then you have the clamp arm, which is this. I can move back and forth. Then you have the press button, which is this right here. Then you have the lock lever, which is this. Then you have the adjuster, which is right here. So, and then you have the tripod base screw. So attach the tripod base to the screw connector of the suction mount clockwise. Turn the tripod base to the tighten. So this is the tripod base. This screw, I guess. So we tighten this on what? On here. Okay. And then what? Anti-clockwise, turn the screw to loose the screw. Okay. Attach the GoPro housing. That's a GoPro? Okay, so what if you don't want GoPro, but if it's for a regular camera? I guess for the regular camera, I guess this is for, so you have this for the GoPro. I guess you put a regular camera on here, because mine won't just go like would right here, but then it's still flexible. Yeah, it can still move back and forth. Like there's a thing here, and if you can see, oh, hold on. Tight, but you can go back and forth. Like there's a ball right here. You see? There's a ball right there. I guess I'll figure it out. But this part is for the GoPro. I don't need this part. But I must say red part on this plug. I'm not saying no red film. What's on this? I guess you can do it without this. But this is supposed to have something on it. And this going this, huh? Guess I'll figure it out. I don't know. I'll figure it out. But that's that. I'll keep the box here. And my husband look on it and see how that works out. But I actually have it now to put in the car. So that's that. Alright, so 2 more packages. And this is my probiotic. This is very good, guys. It's for whole body health and vaginal balance. So that's that. And then you have, this is another set of curtains. It has like a mix. This is for the dining room. So again, all spring things. It come in a pack of 2. So you see, like, it go from the brown to just like the pillows that I have in the living room. You know what? I thought about it. I would have put this in the living room instead, because it kind of come in with the color scheme. Interesting. Kind of come in with the color scheme, you know. The pillows that I showed, the pillow that I showed you guys the other day, the throw pillow covers. This actually blends perfectly with it. So I might buy 2 more of this. I might buy another bunch of this one. So I think I'm gonna get another set of that one and put that in the living room, and then the other one that I had before is put that in the dining room. So we're moving on to the SHEIN packages. Just one. Look at that thing. Look how dirty it is. That's crazy. Right, so these are mostly like hoodies, because you know fall are coming in, and I just want to get some stuff. So the first one, and they're all crap. Oh, this look nice. I didn't know they come with. Oh, it's fancy. This is nice. I'm not gonna try them on tonight, guys. You will see me eventually now. But look at this. This is so cute. So these this navy blue, sky blue, baby blue, and it's crap. But it looks so crap. So it's good to wear my tights. So yeah, this is so nice. Alright, guys. The battery died, so I had to change that real quick. So let me just go through this real quickly, because I said I was gonna finish up and go to my bed, including doing the taxes tonight. I'm going to my bed at 9:30. It's 9:36. Alright, so we have some more in here. Again, these are all crop top hoodies, or cropped hoodies. This is the army green one. They all have pockets, which is very cute. Material doesn't feel so bad either. So there we go. Simple and nice. Should be 7 of them in total. This is a gray one. This one comes with a pack of 2. In there, this one I have no pocket. It's just simple. Like a simple hoodie. But again, they're all cropped, as I said before. And they're thick. This one, they're not thick. These are thicker than, you have the fleece inside. These are actually thicker than the other ones. The other 2 that I show you in terms of the material. They feel like real cotton and all these things. The other ones felt like polyester or something. And these are all large. So again, this is the other one that came with the same one, because it's a pack of 2. So the same thing, the fleece on the inside. Again, guys, this is from SHEIN, so they're very reasonable. I don't think any one of them costs more than $7 to cost so much. Ooh, look at this shocking pink. This look big though. I took them all in large, but this look big. This is so cute though. This is nice. hot pink. This is nice. This one don't have any fleece lining. So this is definitely a spring. Not a black one. Because why not? So this one actually have, this one is a graphic one. Vintage. 1565. What is that? St. Augustine. I don't know which part that there or anything or what 1565, but it just look cute, so I bought it. Yeah, it's right now. I think this is the last one. Yep. Guys, gonna rush go through this now because I'm tired. My back hurt. I need to go put one on the heat cap on my back. My back has been hurting me like all week. Okay, so this was the last one I dropped inside my cart, and that's because it popped up like, I think you would like this, and I'm like, hell yeah, I really like this. Now look on the details on this, guys. First of all, do you see this? This is on the sleeve. This is not a long sleeve. All the other ones were long sleeve. This is not. This is what the sleeve is given right now. Both sleeves. Look at this. Isn't this cute? Again, cropped with the hood. But like, what? And it's pink? Just because. Like, yeah. Guys, I have all of this that I have to go clean up right now. Literally, all this. So, I'm not going to bed right now. All of that and everything piled up over there, so. But you know what? I'm not moving those tonight. These I'm just going to push over the corner and I start them on next time. These I'm going to bring these upstairs. Or maybe not. I don't know. Depends on how I feel. But my back is killing me. You know what? I'm calling it a night. I'm calling it a night. Hey guys. It's a woolly per day next later. A lot of days later. I don't know, for some reason I'm treating this as a vlog. It's not. It's an Amazon. It's a collective haul. So, the last couple clips you realized I was going through some stuff. I still had time because I'm not posting this until Sunday coming in. Today's a Wednesday. So I received the rest of stuff. Well, I think I have only one more item that I'm waiting for. But I wanted to just put these in. I'm eating gummies. Gummy berries. Really good. So I have five more packages here. One package I have no idea what it is. I'm going to open that one first. I have from Temu on Amazon. I'm going to open those right now. So this one I got this evening. And I don't know if me receiving anything else. So this is... I really want to see what this is. This is actually a ball that is saying that it should be coming next week. I'm sure that it's not even shipped yet. I don't like how this looks. I'm gonna have to show you a picture of this for you to get. What the hell is this? They're extras? For you to see what this is supposed to be looking like. And I don't like this, so it's gonna go back. This is supposed to be like a... Watch everything I talk about. Watch. It's supposed to be like a ball. I don't know how this is connected. It's supposed to be like a ball that is supposed to look like this and put into the vase that I have out there. I was figuring, I figured let me just put this inside as a ball, like a ball. Like, so it would look like something like this. Right, since I'm going to do it black and it's going to be like a black and red decor, I said let me just put it like this, but it's not giving. I don't know what the hell this is. So this is going right back. So let me just put it right back in there for it. All of them something that'll come out. So this is not it. So go right back. So it's supposed to... I can't read the description, but I'll show you what it's supposed to be looking like and why I bought it in the first place. But this is not given at all. So nope. Going back. I'm gonna schedule a refund right now as we speak, because what is that? What is that? Is this still showing that it's shipping? But this is what it's supposed to be looking like. So when it goes in, it's looking like this. I don't know if you can see it. That's what it's supposed to be looking like. See that? Yeah. It's not giving that at all. So when I put in the, it would look like this. See? That makes sense. You only have 4 views, so the reason why. And we'll look at that. So this is not giving. So this is going right back. But see, it's still showing that it's in a shipping status. I don't know if you can see that. It's still showing that it's not even shipped yet. I don't know if you can see that. See? Showing that it's not even shipped yet. So how the hell it deliver? So now I can't even return. Let's see, return. An inaccurate website description, yes. Wrong description. You see them know. They're saying I don't need to return the item, but I will be refunded. Them know it's a foolishness. Them know. So I guess I'll figure out what to do with that. But them know. So that's done. Them know. Alright, so that can't push all of something all over the place. Them jump all over the place. Foolishness. Foolishness. I think this one is from Temu. Yeah, this is from Temu. This should have 2 packages, 2 items inside there. So the first one is this, like this waist trainer. This is in small. Oh, it looks complicated though. Some more I buy small, people. Hold on. I can want to myself. Alright, so I want an undershirt. So let's see how this works out. So we're gonna go. Whoa, you can't twist it. Hold on. Come on, kill myself. I'll waste it. Hold on. Come on, kill myself. Let's see this again. Let me pull in the gut. Holy power, it well. Alright, let's try this. It's going up, people. It's going up. Where else? Let me see. Reach up. Woo. It's up. Okay, we got something going on here, so let's see. Okay. Oh my God, so. Okay. Whew. It's not different, but this is it. So I look a bit and see. Oh, press and push up though. Press and perky. There is the second item is actually just a little gym bag. And I know you're gonna ask for Keneisha. I see waist trainer, I see gym bag. You plan on going to the gym? The plan is to go to the gym. Am I gonna go to the gym? It's a question. But I just needed this little cute tag just in case I actually reach the gym. This is little and cute, see? With a little strap. Yeah. Can extend. Look at toilet water. So I'm not a gym girly, so I won't have a lot of stuff. So this I think was very cute to have. So that's it. And those 2 pieces were from Temu. So now we're going into the Amazon packages now. I have 3 boxes from Amazon. Alright, so this is a battery pack. So the first one, I think you guys saw when I bought the camera, and I bought some battery, like a battery charger with 3 batteries in there. It just stopped work. So I sent it back, and I used the money to buy it back. This one actually comes with 2 extra batteries. Let's see, I hope it actually. It said that it worked with Sony. So it worked with Sony, so it should be good. So it's the same type of battery that I had with the other one. So except this is 2. And then you have, the cool thing about this is that it actually comes with a car charger. The other one did not. You had to charge it literally from home. So you can actually charge on the go. So that's pretty cool. And then you have the regular plug. And that's a plug. That's a car charger. And then this, I think this can bring out. What is it? Oh wait, hold on. So what is this for? So this plug in at the wall. The batteries come in here to charge. What is this for then? What is this piece for? I don't know what this piece is for. To add onto this, so it depends on the port, I guess. We have these, I guess depending on the port, and this goes on here. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, to plug into if it has like a different outlet type thing. So that's cool. And then the battery comes here to charge. Let's see here, so like so. See? So that's cool. And if you take it back out, you take it out. So I like this. Let's see if it works. I'll check it when I'm finished, but hopefully this works. So that's why I got this one, because the other one just stopped working. Like I put in the batteries to charge, and it just 9, 10, or 11. So yeah, so let's put that there, so just in case. Let's go into the second box. Why is it so dirty? Oh no, what happened? The guy actually came and left it outside in the rain. See if we can find a way how to open this. These are big. So these are little baskets. So the aim of buying these baskets, because I think I told you guys, I wanted something to put on the entryway table. When I come in, I know there's a key thing in there, but in wallets and stuff, you normally just shut them on the table. But this goes with the aesthetics. Look how cute it is. Yeah, I like this. Not disappointing at all. So simply just throw your stuff in there, close it back. That's not supposed to be hard. So you have 2 of them, and then a bigger one. Not sure what I'm going to do with the bigger one yet, but it came with a set, so I bought the set. But I'll find something to do with this. So, woo. 1, 2. It's gonna go upstairs. This, figure out where it goes later. And then last but not least, oh, so in the previous clip you guys saw where I purchased the brown curtains, the sheer curtains, and I told you guys that I liked it so much and I think that it would actually go well with the pillows. So I bought another set of this. So that's basically what this is. Another set of that. And that is it. That is it. So yeah, see, not a lot. But I just really want to show you guys that piece. I want to thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Like and share this video. Drop a comment. And until later guys. Bye.
Come here, say when me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.